On this episode, we're refurbishing, rebuilding, reconstructing leaf springs 99 Jeep XJ. We took these off, and so far all we've done is sandblast them, and then they've been painted with Pour 15. It's a rust preventative paint. You've seen me use it on other stuff. The rest of it was worthless, right? So a new bolt to hold them together, new clamps to hold them together, and then new isolators to keep them from bouncing. So this bolt, of course, looks pretty, and it's, you know, universal, so to speak. So it doesn't fit because it's slightly larger. It fits in the perch on the diff, and the nut fits through the top of the carrier. This is yet to be sandblasted. That was like music. Okay, so here's an idea. Go find some old leaf springs. They've already got holes in them. Take them apart and make a wind chime. Yeah, make a wind chime. Sorry, little delayed effect there. So the first thing we're gonna do is drill out these holes. Step bit is your friend here. You got to do it from both sides because this is pretty thick. So I just hang it off. Okay, next is we have to put the springs together. So this one came with an add leaf. It only goes on one way, but it's not time yet. So what we want to do is lay our springs out. So with this one, it's kind of easy because the springs are rusted, or were rusted. So if you look here, there's a flat spot, and it lines up with there, like this. If you flip it around, the arc is off. So this is the way it wants to sit. That one's last. And so next, get your little plastic isolators. And these pop in these holes on the end. And then your center screw, your center hold down bolt. Right there, and then dumb. Then what you need is a clamp to clamp it down. You can put this on to hold it, but the clamp does it better. You don't have to unspin it till it's time to put it on later. So on the bottom of this spring are 3 more holes, and these are for the straps. They keep them from going all over the place. So this kit is a universal type. It fits, but you know, you gotta kind of finagle it. So it's got a divot in here to go in the hole. But it's putting pressure on the ends. So another clamp. So now you got 2 clamps on there, you're on the bench. There's no easy way to do this. So this thing needs to get tapped in a little bit. And then we're gonna slip this over. And then we take the clamp off again. Oh, sorry. You can't see. Why are you fucking with me, bro? Hold that, slide that, tap that down. Now the clamp goes back on again. As long as you got some of these, you'll be okay. Slide them on the top, give them a click, and then bend this around. And there. Now it's on. So 2 more times. I want to say it gets easier, but it actually doesn't. So now we can take all the clamps off. So all that damage we did with the clamps, you gotta tune that up real fast. Whatever color you like is fine. Take this, spray it in here like this. On this Jeep, this big honking bushing goes in the front. So this helper spring is what helps provide lift. It only goes on one way. So when you line up this hole, this is hanging off the end. But if you flip it around, then it's protruding past it. It ain't gonna go on. So it only goes on this way. And it doesn't come with any silencers or anything. There probably is a model that does. And then we line our holes back up. Get our clamp. And it's kind of easier if you clamp it like this. And I'm going to put some Loctite down here at the end. And then we just run our nut all the way down. We've been hammering on it, so, you know, it's going to be a little grumpy sometimes. But not too bad. I have a tool for this. This bolt is way too long. So the plate sits on top, goes over that hole. U-bolts come around and hold all this together. So this is what keeps the spring down, is the pressure from the U-bolts. So we got to get this out of here because we got parts that go on top of this. Put some paint on top of this bolt so it doesn't rust, and touch up your other dings. So that's it for the spring rebuild, restoration, refurbish. God damn it! That thing tried to get me. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.